This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, July the 29th. I'm Michael Groff. The monsoon getting more active today through Saturday with increasing rain chances and a risk for some gusty winds and blowing dust, especially this afternoon. But don't get used to it because by late in the weekend and next week, we should dry out and temperatures will start to warm up once again. All right, let's talk about it. First, yesterday in the valley, 105 degrees, the afternoon high, 83 was the morning low. The normal high, 106, the normal low, 85. And taking a look outside right now here at 10:50 a.m., some clouds building up out there. And we're sitting at 97 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 59, relative humidity 29%, wind from the southeast at 12 miles per hour, and the barometer is steady. Checking out the radar, yes, a few showers beginning to pop up over the East Valley, even a rumble of thunder or two can't be ruled out. And so we're getting an early start to some monsoon activity, as instability is already increasing in advance of this. Check it out, the upper air look. There's that inverted trough moving into the greater southwest. So instability will be coming up, even though the moisture levels, at least down here at the surface, are not particularly high today. And that's why the primary risk from storms through the day today and into tonight will be gusty winds and blowing dust. Here's the watch warning map. Still have those heat advisories and excessive heat warnings from the Plain States into the deep south. And in the Pacific Northwest, more heat as well. That hellacious summer just keeps on going. And here in Maricopa County, we have an air quality alert for high ozone levels, once again issued by the Arizona Department of Environmental Quality. The convective outlook for today, an enhanced risk of severe storms around Philadelphia and Baltimore, with the standard slight risk from St. Louis all the way eastward to the middle Atlantic. In Arizona, we're in the green, thunderstorms expected, organized severe weather not likely. But any one storm could put out some gusty winds up to 60 miles per hour and maybe some small hail. Here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix right around 1/10 of an inch, with the possibility of around 1 inch up north over in the eastern mountains and parts of southeast Arizona. Any one spot could get more than what's shown here, though. So let's dive into what's going on. To do that, we'll take a look at modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, and this is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure sits to the east of us, an inverted trough rotating around that into the greater southwest. And so that's going to increase our instability down at the surface. Clouds around this morning. A few showers and storms already popping up, and we'll see storms becoming more scattered by this afternoon, especially over the higher terrain, pushing into the lower desert. And a very good chance we are going to see some gusty winds and areas of blowing dust moving into the region this afternoon and tonight. And so we'll highlight that in our forecast. Highs this afternoon around 100 to 104. Tonight, areas of blowing dust. Otherwise, 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Mostly cloudy sky and lows mid-70s to low 80s. And then tomorrow we'll continue with scattered showers and thunderstorms, most numerous in the afternoon and evening hours, but they could occur just about any time, thanks to the presence of this inverted trough here. And high temperatures falling back a couple of degrees, likely in the upper 90s to around 100. Here's Saturday. We'll continue with at least a chance of showers and storms as the inverted trough is overhead and continuing to shift to the west. But as we go through the day, the rain chances will continue to move further out into western Arizona and southeast California and away from Phoenix. But for at least a good portion of the day, I do believe we still have a chance at precipitation here. And high temperatures may struggle to make the century mark. We're going with mid to upper 90s on Saturday, so that'll be at least some relief. But of course, the humidity levels will be elevated. By Sunday, that inverted trough is off to the west. We are left with subsidence, that sinking air in its wake. And so conditions should be quite a bit more stable. There might be an isolated storm around someplace, though. And high temperatures still only in the upper 90s to near 100. Then going into next week, high pressure is going to build in across the Baja and into Southern California ultimately. So that should set us up with more of a northwesterly flow aloft, and that'll dry us out. And we could stay dry for a good portion of next week, maybe the entirety of the week. And as that ridge builds in, the upper heights are going to climb, so temperatures will begin to rise as humidity levels start to go down. And we'll be around 100 degrees or so on Monday, a little warmer Tuesday, and warmer than that on Wednesday. In fact, by Wednesday, we could see highs going to above average levels for the first time in a while. Here's a week from today. This is Thursday, the 5th of August. Our ridge is now drifting toward the Four Corners, but it is weakening in response to a couple of upper lows over the Pacific Northwest The flow aloft would still be southeasterly or southerly to bring back at least some monsoon moisture if this verifies, but confidence in this solution is not overly high. Still, we would see scattered showers and thunderstorms return in this scenario. And looking out 10 days, this is Saturday, the 7th of August, and a big ridge building out over the North Pacific, and that's problematic for our monsoon flow because that sends shortwave energy into the northern Rockies and northern Plain states, suppressing our subtropical ridge. But interestingly enough, this run of the GFS shows ample moisture here over the southwest for a continuation of scattered to maybe even numerous showers and thunderstorms. And that's a nod to more active easterly waves over the subtropics, maybe even a tropical cyclone down there. I don't know. Forecast confidence in any one of these solutions 10 days out is very low. And the ensemble guidance really points toward a drier solution for much of next week and even into the following weekend. But, it's just a big question mark at this point just because of the model inconsistency. And as we take a look at rainfall for Phoenix over the next couple of weeks coming off of the GFS ensemble, the mean is still up there pretty close to 3/4 of an inch, but there is a noted downtrend in rain chances for next week, and so we're going to tailor our forecast in that direction. And temperatures off the national blend of models, keeping it at or below average through much of the period, although I do suspect that if we get drier air in here next week with a big ridge building in, no doubt temperatures may actually get just a tad warmer than what's shown here. We might even approach 110 degrees again. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe. Stay cool and hydrated out there. Enjoy the rain where you can find it. Watch your kids around that swimming pool and have yourselves a beautiful Thursday.